Hello everyone, we're back. It is New Year's Day and it is about 5:30. I just got done eating some dinner. And as you can tell, we are still in the van saga. So, the old shackle that was broke, I tried to get it out of there, was not able to get it out. The bolt was rusted into the sleeve and it was just a mess. So ended up getting pretty frustrated, pulled the whole entire leaf spring out, which actually was easier than getting that bolt out. And then we meaning me and my dad, took and drove out the old bolt that was wedged in there. And as you could tell, I mean, all the rust is out of there now, but we had to push the whole thing out and drive it out and get it out of there so that we could get it replaced. Then Dad said, hey, take your Sawzall and cut a groove in that sleeve, and then it'll just tap right out of there. And he was 100% correct. Tapped right out. So we got the new one ready to go. It's not ready to put in yet. I got to clean up this hole and get everything inside here cleaned up and deburred and ready to accept the new piece. And then we will be able to install our new shackle on the leaf spring and then put the leaf spring back up underneath the ambulance. So it has been an eventful few days. This is the new shackle, and the old one broke right here and right here. It just snapped clear off. And this is a push and pull set we're going to use to get that installed. I might set up a camera tomorrow as I do that and try to get that put back in. This is how we got the setup. This is the new sleeve that goes in the leaf spring. So we're got that preliminarily set up. So we're gonna get that put in the leaf spring, then probably put the shackle on the leaf spring. That way we can get it all lubed up and ready to go. And then get it lifted back up underneath there and bolted back down solid. Probably better that we did it this way. Now, another thing we had to do was actually cut a hole in the inside of here so we can get to the bolt that when we put the leaf spring back in, the top of the shackle bolt will be right there, and we're gonna have to cut a hole in the bottom of this to get the bottom of the bolt out, because the frame was sent by Ford and then the ambulance body was built over top of it. So that makes it a little tricky there, but as you can tell, it's been quite a day. After plowing some snow, spent the majority of the day out here messing around with this, and I rescheduled some more jobs for tomorrow so I can hopefully get all this finalized, get it all buttoned back together, get everything bolted back together, get the simulators back on, get rear end grease in it, check the breather, you know, all that stuff. So hopefully that'll be coming up here, and finally we can put this thing to bed as far as the leaf spring. You know, now we got all them done, got the welder and everything still out from doing those. And then I said, well, I might as well try to get this shackle put in, because I don't know when else I'm gonna have a chance to do it. And I already got everything tore apart, so I might as well just get it put in and get it done. Well, that tended to be a little harder than I initially thought. But at the end of the day, it's going to work out, and once we get it put back together, it'll be good shape, and hopefully maybe we'll lose some of my rear end whine I have in it. So maybe it was the bearings that were whining, and now that we're going to put some more grease in it, and I snugged up the bearing under this one. So maybe I'll take the other one apart and snug it up with the tool for that tomorrow, and that'll put us into the weekend. So after that, I may do, clean the van out, and then, do some other stuff around the garage. I got some cabinets and stuff to put up, but one thing at a time. Hate to push jobs like that, but it is what it is. You gotta get it fixed, put back together. It's kind of a chintzy looking shackle here, but it is what it is. I'm gonna ever see them bolts in there real good, make sure that they You know, so the shackle sits in there like this. This part on the top goes to the leaf, and then this part goes on the mount. And then the bottom bolt, this bolt is the one that we can't get out because it has to come out this direction like that, and it hits the box. So I'm gonna have to cut that box out to make room for that. Now I did buy both sides. I'm probably not gonna put the other side on unless it breaks, because it has been such a pain in the rear to do. But we'll see on that once we get things going here. So, anyways, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for following along, and tomorrow's another day, and hopefully we can get everything put together and get this bad boy back out doing some work here tomorrow. So, thanks a lot. Talk soon.